Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Be10x. Today we are diving into the world of Excel lookup functions, specifically focusing on HLOOKUP, lookup, and choose for efficient data retrieval. Before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day to day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
So let's begin by understanding these powerful lookup functions and how they can streamline your data management tasks in Excel. HLOOKUP, as the name suggests, stands for horizontal lookup. It's particularly handy when you need to search for data across rows in a table. So to see an example on HLOOKUP, we are going to use ChatGPT. So I'll ask ChatGPT for an example with the dummy data on HLOOKUP. As you can see, here we got the output. So here is the data. We have a month and sales. The sales done in each of these months, we have a like this 100, 150, 200, 180, 220. So here are the steps which we have to follow, and here is a formula. So first of all, I'll copy the data to our Excel sheet. Okay. As you can see, I've copied the data to our Excel sheet. So here's a month row and a sales row. So now, before we do this example, I would like to tell you one important thing which all of you need to know. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in a career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI Tools Workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Now, back to our HLOOKUP example. So here, I've just copied the data. Let's follow the steps. First of all, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. So before that, here is a thing. Let's say you want to find the sales for the month of March. You can use the HLOOKUP function to do this. Okay. So let's follow these steps. Okay. So here, let's type HLOOKUP. Then the lookup value. So I want to search sales for the month of April. Okay. Then table array. So let's select the entire table. Okay. Then row index number. So I'm going to find the sales for the month April. So which is in second row. Okay. So I'm just going to type 2. Then range lookup. Here false for exact match. Okay. So you can see we got the value. So the sales done in the month of April 180. Now let's move to next function, which is lookup. Is a versatile function that can perform both vertical and horizontal lookups. It's great for finding approximate matches or exact matches within a range of cells. So let's take help of ChatGPT and get an example with dummy data. As you can see, we got the output. So here is the data. So we have two columns. In first column, we have fruit names, and in second column, we have price. Okay, let's copy the data to our Excel sheet. As you can see, I've copied the data to our Excel sheet. So let's follow these steps. Let's say you want to find the price of a banana. You can use the lookup function to achieve this. So let's do this. Okay. So here I'm just going to type lookup. So then here are the things. Select the cell containing the value you want to search for. In this case, banana. So I want to search for orange. Okay. Then select the range of cells containing the fruit names. Yeah. Then select the range of cells containing the prices. So you can see orange price is 0.9 and we got that. Now let's move to the last function in this video, which is choose, a function that allows you to select a value from a list based on its position. This comes in handy when you have multiple options and want to dynamically choose one based on certain criteria. So let's take help of ChatGPT and get an example with dummy data. As you can see, here we got the output. So here is a data which we have. So first of all, I'm going to copy this data to our Excel sheet. As you can see, I've copied the data to our Excel sheet. So let's follow the steps. As you can see, here select an option based on an index number. We can use the choose function to achieve this. So first step is I have to click on a cell where I want result to be appeared. So I want the result to be appeared here. Then here I have to type the function. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, we have to select the cell containing index number we want to use. For example, 2. Okay. Then enter the options you want to choose from, separated by commas. For example, B2, D2 for option 1, option 2, and option 3 respectively. So here I've just selected like this, B2 to D2, comma this one, and I've selected all the options. So I got this red, yellow, orange. So here I've selected index number 2, and I got these options red, yellow, and orange. So this is what we got, red, yellow, and orange. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful in enhancing your Excel skills. Do like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.